Outsourcing and planning for online business. Are you struggling to manage your online business while juggling countless tasks? In this video, we're diving into two critical strategies: outsourcing and planning, to help you grow your business without the stress. Let's make efficiency your secret weapon. Outsourcing is a game changer. Why? Because it lets you focus on the core activities that drive your business while experts handle the rest. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer affordable access to skilled freelancers. Here's why outsourcing works. One-time saving: free up your schedule to focus on what truly matters. 2. Cost-effective: get quality work done without the high cost of hiring full-time staff. 3. Scalability: as your business grows, outsourcing helps you scale efficiently without burning out. To outsource effectively: start small, hire freelancers for one-off tasks to test the waters. Use milestones: break projects into smaller deliverables to track progress. Evaluate candidates: look for high ratings, reviews, and relevant portfolios. And don't forget, always protect your intellectual property by having freelancers sign copyright agreements. Creating excitement before your product launch is crucial. Here's how to build buzz. Social media: post teasers, behind-the-scenes content, and countdowns to engage your audience. Influencer collaborations: partner with influencers in your niche to amplify your reach. Email marketing: leverage email campaigns to connect directly with potential customers. Pro tip: avoid spending on expensive press releases. Social media gives you better ROI for generating buzz. Planning and budgeting are the backbone of any successful business. Here's how to set the foundation. 1. Start with a clear plan. Visualize your goals and outline the steps to achieve them. 2. Stick to a realistic budget. Spend on essentials like product development and marketing. Avoid unnecessary luxuries, especially early on. 3. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus 80% of your resources on the 20% of tasks that yield the most results. For example, prioritize creating and marketing your product over designing fancy logos. Let's answer some common questions about outsourcing and planning. Why outsource instead of doing everything yourself? It saves time and gives you access to experts while allowing you to focus on growth. How do I ensure quality work from freelancers? Be specific in your job descriptions, review profiles carefully, and use milestone payments. What's the best way to create buzz for my product? Leverage social media, influencers, and email marketing for maximum impact. How do I stick to a budget? Focus on necessities directly tied to your profits and use tools to estimate costs accurately. Remember, building a successful online business isn't about doing everything yourself, it's about working smart, outsourcing tasks, and focusing on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your business efficiently. Let's turn your business dreams into reality.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.